Yeah, me too, but they will not allow us.
Tita, let me get down.
You want to get down? You don't want to see the fish get fed? You don't want to see the fish get fed? You won't see the fish on the ground.
Tito, let me down. You can.
You're not going to be able to see the fish. All right, you ready? In your arm. All right, ready? There you go. Wrong.
Galon naman yung hangin pag nasa malayo po. Buto na. Hindi mo kang galon. Hangin.
Hey, there ain't no room right here for me to fit. What do you mean? What's wrong? Take it off?
Naangungod ko sa tanan, pahibayo. 5 minuto na lang magsugod na ang atong cultural show ang fish feeding. Gipangumduman ang tanan nga bawal ang paglapas sa barikid o fishing. Labi na ang pagtinukluray aron malikaya nato ang disgrasya. Pahimangno sa tanan nga bawal ang pagpanigarilyo o paglabay sa inyong mga basura bisan asan dapita sulod sa Enchanted River. O sa mga gusto magpalupad sa ilang drone, di kinahanglan ang inyong koordinasyon gikan sa Municipal Tourism Office. Daghang salamat ug maayong udto.
Ilan kayong tingin? Wala, nanipok na.
Uy,
Wala, nanipok.
A lot of fish, huh? They're all coming out of the deep. Look at them, they're all just coming out of there.
They know that they're feeding time.
They know what time it is. They're all lining up too. Where's the shark?
where's the shark?
Shark.
I think it's a shark. How many minutes? Kagabi na Lapia mantaw. 1 minute. If we go home. Lapia matusama.
Where? When?
Go home. Lapia matusama.
At night? Oh, yes. I'll be here all. They close at 5 o'clock. I'll be here until 5.
Oh, so big. Big one. So big fish. It's have a big fish. It's a very fast.
Kaayo na eh.
Wala ka rin.
3 minutes to go.
Ikaw galing. Patong.
Uli mong salumon. Hindi ka mamay mong salumon.
Wow, it's so easy.
Sila lagi nag-adjust.
So, you can get this one.
Bisa.
Get it. It's like that. Not you.
Oh, it's a mini.
Nanuulang dagpo. Ilan na dito? Only 2 minutes to go.
Ayun. Cancel lang. Wala tao diyan.
Kaabot na sila.